Just before February had its chance to bid its final farewell, spring decided to pay us a little visit earlier this year. Tiny pink buds are swelling up on a cherry tree outside my window. A little bumblebee awakened from its long winter sleep in search for sweet nectar. Yellow daffodils opened up suddenly, bobbing their heads in a light, spring-like wind. The air smells of change, but I know it's too early to say goodbye to winter just yet. Be patient, I keep reminding myself daily.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a darkness.
I'm slightly ashamed to admit, but my garden stood abandoned and sad all this time and throughout much of past year. I haven't really been inspired to tend to it all throughout much of last summer and autumn, so it got wildly overgrown and messy. If I'm completely honest, I'm not the tidiest person and I really don't like to clean. It's always been the most tedious chore for me, but as I've become somewhat responsible and very anxious adult, tidying up has become a sort of therapy to me. My mind can be so messy and anxious too often, and cleaning helps to cope. So, if you have a friend or partner who suddenly starts to clean out of nowhere, give them a hug. They might be experiencing an anxiety and their head might need some tidying up too. There was something so extremely satisfying in cutting down my very ill rose and going ruthless on some other plants. I know that they too needed a tidy up in order to feel better come the actual spring. I think when it comes to tidying up, for someone who doesn't quite like the activity but does it compulsively, it's important to choose one or two areas at a time to focus on. This time I chose garden and windows, as it is something I tend to neglect, but I look at often and it bothers me so much. Choosing too many things to do at a time can indeed become even more overwhelming. It's so strange how something I despised as a child has become so vital to me as an adult. So much so that it became oddly satisfying to watch others do the same. Thank you for spending this simple and quiet day with me today. I am actually away and my camera is currently on its very last breath, so I was not able to record a longer voiceover. But hopefully I will see you again next week with even more exciting video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.